Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a Mojave silver metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch wheels. An espresso brown MB Tex interior with a natural rainbow walnut wood trim, sunroof, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, trailer hitch, clean set of all-season floor mats, cargo cover, fold-down rear seats, premium one package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated door sills, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns, MBUX. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes, turn."
Please repeat.
Turn on heated seats.
When switching to seat heating.
Simple as that. You're able to use it and give it voice commands. This GLE has 21,309 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.